Welcome to Hendrick GM South Point in Durham, North Carolina. We are going to show you the 2018 Dodge Challenger. This is the RT Scat Pack 392 to be exact. We'll go ahead and let her say hello to you guys. Woo! So, this right here is your 6.4 liter. I call it the Bumblebee. This is your Scat Pack. This has sport mode. This has blind spot monitoring. This vehicle is a sick classic to be in right here. All right.
Only 7,000 miles on it, and you have your touchscreen up here with your radio, Bluetooth, climate, all your apps right here, navigation, and your performance apps. Now show them that right there. That's pretty cool. So on here you can dyno your car, you can set your traction control, set your modes for your suspension, steering, engine, everything like that. Let's give it a second to load up. But look at this shifter right here. This thing is beautiful and it shifts super fast. 8-speed automatic. All your climate controls right here, your super track pack, your sport mode, your parking sensors, traction control.
You don't want to turn that off, okay?
Yeah. Power sunroof. Plenty of space in the back. Plus your blind spot monitoring and mirrors. But let's look at this right here. So your performance right here has all your horsepower, your G-force, all your gears and everything, your timers, 0 to 60, quarter mile. Engine right here shows you how much horsepower and foot-pounds you're getting. And your dyno right here, so it'll show you how much horsepower and torque you're getting. Now look at how it shoots up. This thing has power. That's barely anything. Super track pack right here, you can set all your settings.
You can also turn this auto to 3,500 RPM. 33, excuse me. Set your drive mode settings. Now these have default, normal, on, normal, but if you want to change all of these, you do have the option to change them all to sport.
Just has to warm up first.
And it just has to warm up, but as you see, that is going to be an option for you. You want to show them the hood, Josh?
Yeah, let's pop the hood.
Show them Alpine speakers where you hop out so they can rock and roll.
Alpine audio system. Let's listen to it real quick. Let's get some real stuff playing.
I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly, I know. Now watch me fly, fly, fly. Now watch me fly, fly.
Let me show you this 6.4 liter we got here. 485 horsepower. Let's hear that exhaust too. She nasty. So we got your fuel door right here.
So, in order to get in this vehicle, all we need you to do is show up, put yourself in that driver's seat, go on the test drive. Only thing you're not gonna do is burn rubber, but if you want to make the car deal, let's do it. See us at Hendrick GM South Point, and we will take good care of you.